Okay, hello all. Good evening. Welcome to the Net Minion Solution. So here is Ravinder Singh again, and I am representing you one of very good topic for today. That yes, we all are aware that F5 can be accessed through the REST API, and what if we wanted to go through the command line? So the one who has not aware about the REST, let me tell, REST is an acronym for representational state transfer. So basically it is an architectural style for distributed hypermedia systems and was first presented by Roy Fielding in 2000 in his famous dissertation. So like any other architectural style, REST also does have its own 6 guiding constraints. But if you wanted to read about that, maybe you should go there and read about the whole dissertation. And also we have created a very good video about the REST and the F5. You may check that. But today our concept is somewhat different. So let me tell you what we are gonna do today. So let us suppose that our F5 is behind the firewall where 80 or 443 is not allowed, particularly for F5 IP. Okay, so this is my system, and through my system there is F5 come into there is a firewall come into the picture. Okay, this is my firewall, and after my firewall my F5 device is there. Okay, and maybe due to some n number of the reason I am not able to access my F5 device through HTTP or HTTPS. So how should I access F5 and how should I configure something over that? Maybe let us take some another example. I want to configure couple of the commands through the command line over the F5. I don't want to use REST API. So what? So these are some questions which was got asked from some of the batchmates also, and this video I thought so that it should go to everyone who should be aware that F5 can be accessed through REST API also, and we can enable the SSH connection also over the F5. Let me make you very clear that over the F5 even you can go to the Python. Okay, but for that you should have the F5 accessibility. So if you have the F5 accessibility, you can go and you can run Python over there. Let me run putty and let me show you just for a moment. Okay, so if I am opening my 172.16.20.1, so this is my F5 unit. Okay, let me go through the root. If you log in over here and hit the word Python, you can see that you are into a Python box currently also. Okay, so you can run couple of the commands from here. Maybe if you are just saying a equal to 1, b equal to 2, assigning some variable and adding some kind of variable, and you wanted to check, you can see that yeah, it is the Python interpreter and it is giving you the results as per your commands. But the thing is, I don't want to go into the F5 box and I don't want to get configured it from there. Then what? So what? Okay, how I can do it? So there are couple of ways, but today we will discuss about one of the way. Okay, and let me show you how we can go into the F5 and how we can configure such kind of step. Okay, so this is my F5 unit 172.16.20.1, and here I wanted to fetch couple of the information. Okay, maybe I just wanted to see the configuration over the F5. Okay, so this is my F5 hostname blah 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 blah, but I wanted to see it through the command line, and even through the command line using my Python script. So I am going to the command prompt, and let me drag my command prompt over here into the second unit. Here I need to go to the desktop,
Audio Jungle.
and over the desktop there is my Python file named as test1. If I will hit the button, you can see that there is a welcome message over there that you are accessing Net Minion Solutions Python script for F5 CLI demo. Okay, now you tell us you wanted to run the bash command, you wanted to run the tmsh command, or you wanted to get quit. So maybe this time I wanted to run bash command. So I am just pressing 1, or maybe I can press BASH also. In both way, it will show me that you are into the bash shell. Enter your command now. Okay, I am entering one of the command and just checking it what is the result. So it is showing me that okay, we are processing your request, just hold for some time, it will take some time. Okay, so till we are waiting over here, let me tell you, I will show you the half of the script over here, like how these kind of menus get created and how we can just create it for our reference if you know how to access it into the FI device. So you can see that it is going to the NetMinion device, FI device, and it is fetching out the real-time value. Again, my script is asking either you are done, you can press quit, or you can just run the tmsh command. So maybe this time I wanted to run the tmsh command. Okay, I could press 2 also, I can press tmsh also. How I write down that code, I will show you. Of course it would not be the fully code, but this menu code I will show you for sure. Okay, so you are into the tmsh shell now, enter your command. Okay, so maybe I wanted to check show sys version. Okay, again it is processing, and this should present me such kind of information. Okay, what is my big IP and what is the serial number maybe, and such kind of stuff it should be get represented over the screen. Okay, so you can see this time it is showing me everything, okay, whatever I required over here, and you can see that my choice is again produced before me, like okay, are you done, or you wanted to run some kind of more command. So this time maybe I am pressing 3, or I can write down quit also. Okay, and after that there is a like goodbye message that okay, have a good day. Okay, if you wanted to enroll to the Python, you can visit https www.netminion.net. So there over the website you can go and you can see there are lot of demos are available, but as committed I will show you this script, but not fully. Okay, at least this menu button how it is working. So when I log in into the script, it was showing me such kind of message. Okay, so how this message is presented and how this message comes up in front of us. So it is all of the output of print function only. Okay, so you can see here into the choice is our variable. I am saying that what is my input. So I am getting my input, and again I am giving these kind of 3 quotes. If you are aware, that is good. If you are not aware, let me tell you, these 3 quotes are used when your string is not into a single line and there are multiple of the lines maybe. Okay, so in that case you need to use not the single quote or not the double quote, but the single quote 3 times and the double quotes also 3 times. Okay, here I am just producing all of those stuff which you are watching over here. Okay, that either it is bash, tmsh or quit, and you can see that I am purposely adding some kind of space. Okay, and I am just assigning this symbol to get my input from the user. Okay, and after that my choice is just converted into the lower function. If you are aware about that, that is good, but I am purposely doing that because if someone is using B as in a capital word, you know, Python is a case sensitive, it will not accept that and our logic would get fails. So that is the reason why I am using over here the lower function. Using lower function, either the B is into the capital or into the running case, it doesn't bother. It will convert into the running case, all of the letters. Okay, so you can see either my choice can be equal to 1 or my choice can be equal to bash. If such is the case, we will take the input, we are invoking the input function again, and we are purposely saying some kind of message. So this message which you are watching over the screen, we are writing it down. Yeah, so because we are aware that user has choose 1 or the bash, so we are providing in front of the user that okay, you are into the bash shell, enter your command now, and whatever command he is running, maybe we are just invoking one more user defined function named as running command. Okay, which I cannot share with you unfortunately because it is against the company's policy to show the code. Okay, and I am just invoking that function, and into this function I am providing my input, that is stored into the variable named as bash. Okay, so that function is like talking with my F5 unit and producing me the output. Okay, if we check over here, if we are providing that it is a TMSH, so what we are saying, we are again saying the input function, and we are using that, and we are again saying okay, enter your command. But this time I am purposely adding TMSH in front of that command so that the same function can be run over here also, but this time my input should go prepend with the TMSH so that my command should not fail. Okay, and in the last I am using else. Maybe you can add one more elif to check 3 or quit, and in the else you can say that okay, the input is not correct. Okay, but howsoever it's all depend upon you how you are writing your code. I am just writing down else, and I am printing my one of the message which you saw over the last time. Okay, that you are accessing NetMinion solutions, and thanks for that. Okay, so you saw that, yeah. So have a good day, like it was a goodbye message. After that I am closing the SSH session, and I am getting into the break. I am using the break because I am into the infinite loop, and that is why, because you are into the infinite loop, that is why your same kind of stuff is coming again and again. Once you are providing and the input, after that it is fulfilling it and coming back to asking for the user's choice. So that is how it will work. If in some way this script you feel like is added some value in your knowledge, or you wanted to learn something for the fastest growing language Python, you can just be in contact with us. This is our website, and you can check over there. Every detail is mentioned over there. Okay, thank you, have a good day, thanks for watching, bye bye.